How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can duplicate an artboard in Photoshop. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through your artboard right here on your layers. And then right after, you want to navigate through the layer function, scroll down, and then you can simply see the duplicate artboard. Now it's going to be the same as the duplicate layer. As of right now, I'm using a layer right here, but nonetheless, the duplicate artboard will also be on this section. So just simply click on it, click on OK, and then you will be able to duplicate it as such. Or to make things easier, you could just right click on the actual artboard, right click on it, and in here you have the duplicate layer or the duplicate artboard option. Once again, just click on OK and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.